In this video, we will explore the top 5 UV DTF printers for 2026, comparing their printing speed, precision, versatility, and features to help you find the perfect printer for your business or personal projects. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Ultra UV Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 Ultra is a high-speed ultraviolet resin, three-dimensional printer designed for users who demand precision, consistency, and efficient workflow. It features a 7-inch monochrome liquid crystal display with 10,000 resolution, delivering extremely fine detail across the entire build area. With a maximum print volume of 2.2 liters, it supports larger and more complex resin models without sacrificing accuracy. Printing speed is a major strength. Using standard resin at a layer height of 0.1 millimeters, it reaches speeds up to 80 millimeters per hour, while high-speed resin pushes output to 120 millimeters per hour. This performance is supported by an advanced light uniformity algorithm that calibrates curing energy across the screen, reducing dimensional errors and improving layer consistency. The optical system combines a Cobb light source with a Fresnel lens to deliver uniform light at a narrow angle, minimizing stray exposure and enhancing sharp edges. Precision motion components, including a reinforced lead screw and guide rails, allow layer heights as fine as 0.02 millimeters for smooth surfaces and crisp details. User experience is enhanced through a 4-point leveling system, an intuitive touch control panel, and built-in self-check functions that monitor resin levels, failed prints, and component lifespan. Integrated software features include automated support generation, anti-aliasing, and remote printing. With cloud connectivity and access to a large model library, the Photon Mono 4 Ultra delivers a complete and reliable resin printing ecosystem for professional and advanced hobby use. Number 4. Jetvinner L805 UV DTF Printer. The Jetvinner L805 UV DTF Printer is a versatile printing solution designed for small businesses and professional creators who need flexibility across both ultraviolet, direct-to-film, and traditional DTF applications. Shipped directly from a United States warehouse, it offers fast delivery and avoids additional import tax concerns, which is a practical advantage for commercial buyers. This system supports multiple configurations, including a 4 and a 3 formats, with options built around the L805 or XP600 printheads. The L805 ultraviolet printer is optimized for flat materials such as phone cases, acrylic, leather, crystal, cards, and signage, while the DTF versions are intended for transferring designs onto textiles and fabrics. High-resolution output allows detailed color reproduction with simultaneous white and color ink printing for strong opacity and sharp edges. Key hardware features include a white ink circulation and mixing system to reduce settling and clogging, along with a continuous ink supply system for stable, long print runs. The suction platform helps secure media during printing, preventing head contact and improving alignment accuracy. Platform heating further improves ink stability and powder adhesion during the DTF process. The XP600 configuration adds higher throughput for larger print sizes, supported by a stable motherboard and electric lifting paper mechanism for easier setup. Bundled packages include inks, powder, film rolls, software, and optional curing or laminating equipment. Overall, the Jetvinner L805 UV DTF printer delivers a compact yet capable production setup for customized merchandise, promotional items, and apparel printing workflows. Number 3. Colorsun, a 3 UV DTF printer. The Colorsun, a 3 UV DTF printer, is a 2-in-1 printing system designed for creating high adhesion stickers that can be applied to flat, curved, and uneven surfaces. Unlike traditional ultraviolet direct printing, this approach removes surface limitations, making it suitable for wood, glass, phone cases, acrylic, and other decorative or commercial products. At the core of the machine are dual Epson XP600 printheads, allowing color, white, and varnish inks to be printed simultaneously. This dual head setup significantly improves printing speed while maintaining high precision and consistent color reproduction. The vacuum suction platform keeps the film stable during long production runs, reducing warping and protecting the printheads from damage. One of the major advantages of this system is its integrated workflow. Printing and laminating are completed in a single process, eliminating the need for a separate laminating machine and reducing overall production time. Operation is straightforward, with image preparation handled in standard design software before processing through the included RIP software. Maintenance is simplified through one-key automatic printhead cleaning and a white ink stirring system that prevents pigment settling. An ink shortage alert helps avoid nozzle damage by notifying the user before ink levels become critical. The curing system uses efficient ultraviolet lighting combined with active cooling to support extended operating periods. With low consumable requirements limited to ink and film, the Colorsun, a 3 UV DTF printer, offers an efficient and scalable solution for custom labels, promotional items, and personalized product decoration. Number 2. GMXZE L805. The GMXZE L805 is an A4 size ultraviolet flatbed printer designed for high detail customization across a wide range of materials. It supports printing on glass, PVC, acrylic, leather, metal, plastic, stone, and crystal, making it suitable for phone cases, bottles, golf accessories, pens, and promotional items. Its plate-free digital printing process allows full-color photo-level output in a single pass, without the need for traditional plate making. One of the key strengths of this printer is its 2-in-1 capability, printing white and color inks at the same time for improved efficiency and stronger color density. The optional varnish printing adds surface protection, abrasion resistance, and enhanced visual depth, which is especially useful for products that require durability and ultraviolet resistance. Infrared automatic feeding ensures accurate positioning, reducing alignment errors, and improving overall consistency. Operation is streamlined through automatic height adjustment, allowing objects up to 15 centimeters tall to be printed with minimal setup. The printer also supports both flatbed and cylindrical printing, expanding its application range. An automatic cleaning system simplifies maintenance, while the integrated water cooling and 3 large fans help control ink floating and reduce double flash issues during printing. Designed with a compact footprint, the GMXZE L805 fits easily into small workshops or studios. Its fast printing speed meets industrial-level expectations, making it practical for both personal projects and small business production. With reliable hardware, versatile material support, and professional finish options, this printer offers a balanced solution for customized ultraviolet printing needs. Number 1. Cnczone A1 UV 6090 UV Printer. The Cnczone A1 UV 6090 is a high-performance ultraviolet flatbed printer equipped with up to 3 Epson XP600 printheads, designed for maximum efficiency and precision. With a large printing area of 600 by 900 millimeters and a variable printing height up to 190 millimeters, this printer accommodates flat and cylindrical objects, offering versatility for diverse projects. The vacuum adsorption platform stabilizes items during printing, preventing movement and ensuring accurate placement. Its automated features include infrared height adjustment and automatic positioning through dedicated software, which reduces errors and maintains consistent quality. The printer supports 12-color output with simultaneous dual nozzle operation, producing detailed and vivid prints that match the original design. White ink stirring prevents sedimentation, ensuring smooth, continuous output, while the negative pressure ink sac minimizes waste and optimizes performance. The Cnczone A1 UV 6090 handles multi-layer inkjet processes, including embossed three-dimensional printing, color white mirror printing, cylindrical printing, and simultaneous color and white with varnish printing. Its output is resistant to scratches, waterproof, and wear-resistant, suitable for applications ranging from promotional items to complex customized products. Designed for professional use, the printer works best with a CHI8 color inks, reducing the risk of clogging and maximizing longevity of the print heads. Fast operation, reliable accuracy, and extensive technical support, including remote guidance, 24-hour service, and a 2-year warranty, make this printer suitable for businesses that require high-quality, consistent ultraviolet printing across a variety of materials and shapes. There you have it, the top 5 UV DTF printers for 2026, each offering unique capabilities for high-quality, versatile printing. Whether you need speed, precision, or multi-material support, these printers deliver reliable results for professionals and hobbyists alike. Check the description below for links and the latest pricing to make your choice today.